Where are we going, Jayce?
We're going to the play set.
Play set? What is it?
Look at our new racetrack.
Ooh.
And it has one of these. Look at them.
What does it say?
It says, monsters are coming this way.
It says all that. Okay.
And this is, what is this?
It's a cone. It's a construction cone. It's yellow. It tells them they need to slow down before they go into the car wash. So they're going to have a race, and they're going to go in and come out here.
And there's a race car waiting over there, far away.
Yeah, we already got one on the track, huh?
Yes.
What's this?
Oh, our play set, and here's your elevator.
Yeah, show us how the elevator works. That's just the dogs running around on the deck, buddy. Oh. Show me how it works. Ooh, and then what happens up here? Oops. Okay, so that's kind of broken. So the helicopter, the H, this is an H, see? H.
That's for the helicopter.
H is for helicopter. We're going to have to fix that in a minute here. We got some more cones right here to show us that we need to go
this blue
slow.
racing car.
And come back here. It shows us that the speed limit is 65. We got
And
some
look right here.
cones. And here we go, starting, right?
And we have a race car right here.
You like
Waiting.
that? Where's the other race car? Here it comes.
Beep, beep, beep.
You're supposed to do this.
And they're waiting for the race.
Well, let's see where we're going to go first. So we're going to go here, speed limit 65. We're going to go in this jail that we still need to fix. And then we have a race car here.
And then you go
car
up.
wash.
And if you're on blocks, that's okay. You can go out of this way. Then you can way far away to this way and you push. And now
Oh, wait, hold on.
go.
We have another speed limit or another sign. What does this one say? This one says that you gotta slow down, yield.
Now,
This one actually says yield.
this race car.
See it?
Ready.
Focus here.
Go. Beep, beep,
There we go.
beep.
Alright. Let's get back over here, and then we'll go through here. And this is the fun part, right, Jayce?
Yes.
What's going on here?
I'm trying to go.
I'm trying to fix it, but I meant, I guess we'll just see. We'll have to see. We got some more cones and a speed zone here. This one says steep climb. See that there?
Yeah.
And this one says speed zone. And this is a special treat. Okay, so then we got more track here. And these signs just say do not enter. We don't want to enter. This is the wrong way, right? Do not enter. Wrong way. Wrong way.
This can go.
And we got our
through
finish right here. So,
And you push.
are we ready to race?
Yes, but you have to put this down first.
Okay.
Put it down, Mom.
Well, let's fix it. Ready, set, go. And they're off into the jailhouse. See them go.
Look at the blue car is winning.
Oh. Go, blue car. Those guys are slow. It says slow down, so we're slowing. Here, I'll make him go through this. Here he comes. You gotta push him in. Here they come. Water, water, water. In the car wash. Next. Water, water, water. Come on in. And they're off. Over here, let's see what happens. Oh, you didn't let them go. Here, they'll go. Aww.
They didn't want to do it. It didn't work.
Here. Who won? The blue car! The winner!
Yeah!
Who won? The blue car won! And the red car is in second. Woo!
Yeah, I get surprise. Where's it, Mom? Where's she supposed to?
Okay, which one's gonna go first? This one?
I am.
Okay, let's go first. Ready? You gotta get back up there. Couldn't see it. Your arm's in the way. Dang it. Alright, let's see them.
Let's do a nice, pretty shot.
Okay, let's see. Oh, we need to bring it closer. Alright, we got it closer. Let's see if it works better this time. There you go. Let's make sure it's lined up straight. Hold on. Okay. I knocked them all over, but that's okay. That was cool. Let's try again. Oh, let's try again.
He goes right here.
Okay.
Watch.
Not bad.
You have to hold on really tight.
Okay. It's the red car now. Ooh, he made it! Go. I'll do it one more time.
One more shot.
One more shot.
You got this, racing car.
You got this, racing car. Yeah! Okay, we're gonna try it with the blue car. You knocked him off, but you didn't knock him. You didn't go up it. Go. That's what?
That's interesting.
Why?
Because it's not working.
I wonder why the blue car doesn't go very fast. Okay, let's try to fix it. Let's see. Yeah. Let's try to make it straight.
Ready. Set. If it says stop, it can't slow down, right?
Right. Okay.
See if it can say slow down.
And okay. How did that happen?
No, what's funny is do that again.
Okay, let's see if it does it again. Either that or it'll hit me in the face because I'm this close, but let's try. But you know what? I think I might know the problem. Okay, ready?
It cried.
Yeah. Okay, let's try. Go. Let's try again.
Okay.
Set. Go. I have to check myself. We switched up the track a little bit, hoping it would have better results, right, buddy?
Yes.
Well, how did we do?
We just push it.
Should we try again? Let's
Yes.
switch some spots. Let's put the red one launched and the blue one on top. Let's see how that works. Oh! We did it! You want to do it again? You want to try any other kind of card? What?
This sunshine would try to stop it and it just broke.
It broke.
Uh-huh. Yeah.